So we're just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, I did put a long on the charts for Dogecoin about 5 days ago, and we have been accelerating since then as I predicted. The altcoin basket is currently at all-time highs, and Ethereum looking like it's about to break to a new all-time high and drag the altcoin space. You can see we've been accelerating nicely for Dogecoin over the past few weeks, ever since we started to see these two big green candles for Dogecoin here. I had a feeling that we were going to start moving up because we have seen Ethereum consolidating under its all-time high, and a lot of these larger cap altcoins looking bullish. You can see the new all-time high on the altcoin basket, and Dogecoin right now looking very, very good indeed. I have been getting into longs for Dogecoin up towards $1 because I do think we have a good chance now of accelerating to the upside for Dogecoin. You can see these big green candles have been accelerating. We're breaking out of this range that we have been in for Dogecoin. We broke out of that local consolidation, that bad chop that we were in for weeks here. We're broken out, and I do think if we can break this level here, this will be the last resistance really before coming up towards that 50 cent area again. And then of course we will be looking towards all-time highs. I do think Dogecoin here looking very, very positive here for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside for that fabled $1 area of being targeted and finally getting hit for Dogecoin. Right now, Dogecoin, I mean, to be honest, this whole cycle, Dogecoin has been one of the only cryptos that has held this really nice looking bullish market structure. I never felt like Dogecoin was not going to go back up and hit towards its all-time high. Currently at 29 cents and looking very bullish in my estimation to continue up towards this local swing high at 50 cents and then continue up to the all-time high at 70 cents, maybe up towards $1 or $2. Overall, this is just looking really, really bullish for me. And every time that we had a dip, I was thinking, oh, this looks nice. I bought here. As you can see, I took this really amazing trade up to around 45-50 cents. I had a feeling when we started to consolidate here, we were going to have a big pullback, so I actually cut my position and then waited for another entry. I took a long down here as well, but we did get chopped up by that tariff range that we got put into. But I am long again. I took a long position on Bybit at this level here, but I'm actually long on a few other exchanges from down in these areas here, because I just had a feeling that Dogecoin was just never going to come back down and violate down towards this area again. And it's been really strong and really bullish, as we can see. I've obviously got my spot bags, which I've been accumulating for years, on Dogecoin as well, which are absolutely printing right now in terms of this sheer amount of upside that I've got. I've been basically, ever since I bag held my Dogecoin and never sold it here, I was basically averaging in, and then I was averaging in throughout the bear market, putting in big bags here, and my average entry is probably around 10 or 15, maybe up to 15 cents, somewhere in this region for Dogecoin for my long-term spot bags, and they are pretty big at this point. So very, very interesting times for me. We are around 1, 2, 3, 2 or 3x on my spot bags right now, and I'm expecting this to continue to accelerate here. Dogecoin looking exceptionally bullish today. As you can see, we are ripping through resistances right now. The hourly time frame looking very, very prolific in terms of the very, very strong momentum that we're seeing here. People are absolutely, you know, aping in, I would say. I don't remember the last time someone said that, maybe since last cycle, but you can see people are aping into Dogecoin right now. And I think if we can break this fair value gap here, this is the last gap in the leg really before we absolutely accelerate through these levels. We've got loads of liquidity up here to go and target. I think we could easily see Dogecoin coming up and hitting 40 cents, 50 cents over the next week or so, especially with the rest of the altcoin space looking like it's accelerating really nicely. Right now, Dogecoin looking really good for me. And overall, I do think, provided, as I said, that Bitcoin doesn't pull us back and the rest of the altcoin space can have a nice move, I think if we get good displacement for the total altcoin basket above this level here, we are going to be having good times in the market for Dogecoin. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every single day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.